Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. What if I told you that something you do every single day, something as simple as opening your mouth, could be an act of charity? No money, no effort, just words. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, وَالْكَلِمَةُ الطَّيِّبَةُ صَدَقَةٌ. A good word is charity. 5 words. But let's unpack what they really mean. This hadith comes from a longer narration where the Prophet, peace be upon him, was teaching the companions that every joint in your body owes a daily act of charity. The companions asked, how can we possibly do that every single day? And the Prophet, peace be upon him, reassured them. He listed many things that count. Helping someone, removing harm from the road. And then he said, a good word is charity. That means every kind word you say to your spouse in the morning. Every word of encouragement you give a friend who is struggling. Every time you say Jazakallah khair to someone who helped you. That is sadaqah. That is charity being written in your account. al-Qayyim, one of the great Islamic scholars, wrote that words have a power that swords do not. A word can heal a broken heart. A word can bring someone back from the edge of despair. A word can plant a seed of faith in someone who had almost given up. And yet, how often do we throw words around carelessly? How often do we stay silent when someone needed to hear something good? The Prophet, peace be upon him, was teaching us, your tongue is not neutral. Every conversation is an opportunity. Every interaction is a scale, tipping either toward reward or toward regret. Before you leave the house today, make a small intention. I will say at least one good word to someone today. A compliment. A prayer for someone. How are you? I've been thinking of you. That's your sadaqah for the day. The Prophet didn't say a good word might be charity. He said, it is charity. It's already been counted. You just have to speak it. May Allah make our tongues a source of goodness for ourselves and for everyone around us. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you and the mercy of Allah and His blessings.